This video will demo how to use the group sale function in VBO. First, we want to go to Setup, Box Office, and then Box Office Settings to create our group sale messages. These are the messages that will display in the online payment requests that you send out to the customers. So here, this first custom group sale message is going to be your default. We do have some of these placeholders available, such as the balance and the due date. And I've got a generic message here that I'll show you where it displays later. And then you can set up to 3 alternate group sale messages. So you can do those here. I just put in message 1, message 2, and message 3. And then whenever you make any changes, always click save. So now we'll go ahead and put a group sale in. And VBO automatically labels a sale as a group sale when there's a balance due on an order. So I'll just go into the box office mode. I've got an event here. I'll add some tickets to the cart, click confirm just like a normal sale, and then I will look up my account. And once you've loaded your account in here and everything's right, you can click pay now. Now if you want to put the full order as a balance due, you can just use this drop down and click balance, and then here you'll be able to set a due date for the order, and then you'll see the balance due here. But I'm going to pay a partial amount, so the customer gave me $100 in cash, and now I'll mark the rest as a balance due. And once we're done with that, we can click process order. Now to manage these orders, it's best to go into the box office area and use pending sales. You can also find this order in the orders page here, or you can find it in the customer's profile in the CRM, but using this pending sales is a little bit better. So once we find the sale and we use this manage option, you can either pay the balance now. There's a couple other options in here, such as printing the tickets and emailing the confirmation. And then you can also cancel the order and refund it. So if you click on refund, it's going to be the same process that you have for all other refunds in the system. If you click on cancel order, here you can add some notes. And then if you click cancel group sale order, it will just cancel the order and refund any down payments that were made already. Or you can donate that down payment or deposit amount by clicking here. And then it's just going to put it into a donation that you have set up, or your global donation. Now, if we use this manage again and click pay balance, if you have the money already, it's best to use the box office mode, because then you just click pay now and you can enter the payment information in the payment screen like normal. But if you want to send an email to the patron requesting that they pay their balance online, you can use this online option here. And then you can set up if you're going to allow them to pay a partial amount or if you're going to require them to pay a full amount. You can offer an early discount if you want. And then here's where these email messages that you set up come in. So here's we have our default. And here, like I had set up, we have message 1, message 2, and message 3. And I'll go ahead and stick with the default because it uses those placeholders. And now when we're ready, we can click email pay request. Now that email was sent successfully, and I'm going to go into the account and I'll show you what that email would look like to the patron. So here in the communications tab, we've got the group sale email here that went out, and we can click view email. So here, those placeholders put in the balance due and the due date, and also the first name that I had set up. And I put in, please use the link below to pay your balance. So they can click on the link to complete now. And they'll be taken to a pre-populated cart. So here they can pay the full amount of $100, or they can select a partial amount here. And their payment information is loaded here, and then you can put in the card information and they would click pay now to complete the payment.